Alright, so to start out, I'm just going to go over the internals of the drum mag here. So right here we have the main internal assembly, then there's the shell, and then this is the original adapter that I'll talk about in a little bit. And then there's the drum mag as well. So right over here we have the internal assembly. To start out, there's a custom machined feed adapter. It is machined to match the profile of the chamber body, and then that is secured in place by a Phillips screw. So it is very secure and that won't ever move. The point of this piece is to line up the BBs with the feed lip. And the BBs come down through this tube here, which is the feed tube. And right here we have another custom machine part. This is a feed block adapter. And this piece has a latch type design. And that fits right into the existing hole in the drum mag. And it slides forward like that. And the point of this part is to line up this feed tube with the feed hole here off the drum mag. So once that slides forward and latches in place, turn it around, and it's secured in place with a machine screw right here in the back. And once that's screwed in, it's very secure and the feed tube won't ever move out of place, so you have reliable feeding. Now, these parts just fit together like that. Then we got the chamber here. So this is, like I said, the original gas chamber, however, is chopped down to half the original size. We got the feed plugs here. Not the feed plugs, I'm sorry, the gas plugs. And those are also original. However, the body was re-tapped so the plugs can get screwed in. The back plug, however, was drilled and tapped again so I can fit the air fittings here. And those are just standard 1/8 NPT threads. There's a 1/8 nipple, so it can use all like the standard adapters that a Polar Star uses, or a Redline Firebase regulator, and all those other big names. Over here is the mag shell. This is also original. It was chopped down to half the original size. 2 custom adapter pieces were made, and those are welded into place, so this is very solid, and those aren't going to come out. In the back, a hole was machined, so the air fittings fit through, so they go kind of like that. And just the way this kind of assembles is the feed block adapter slides in, and then the main assembly goes on top. Kind of looks something like that. However, the shell goes on before that, but it just has to get put together a certain way so that it all works. Another cool thing to note, the original drum mag wasn't modified at all. The only thing that was modified was the GHK magazine, which obviously was chopped up, and then the custom parts that were made. So if the drum mag ever wanted to be used for an AEG again, it can be, because you have the original adapter, and this will still work with the original drum mag. The only modification made to the drum mag is this small screw hole here, which the adapter attaches to, but that small hole doesn't do anything to the performance, so you still have an original AEG drum mag should you choose to use it for that. Alright, I'm just going to get this all put together now so we can go out and shoot it, and then we'll see how it goes. So I have the GHK M4 drum mag all hooked up. It's running on a remote line here, regulator, HPA. Pressure we'll be shooting today is 120 psi, so that's standard propane pressure. And we'll be using this AAC GHK AR. Alright, we got the GHK M4 here, the custom HPA drum mag. It's loaded up with Airsoft Extreme .25 Bio BBs. Regulator is set at 120 psi. I got a silver plate over here on the left that we're going to be shooting at. It's about 50 feet from here. Let's see how it does.